welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be teaching you guys how to enable or disable Spotify shuffle mode. If you want to shuffle your Spotify songs or turn shuffle off, here's how to do it fast. Open your Spotify app on your phone or desktop and start playing any kind of songs or playlist. Look for your shuffle option. It looks like two crossing arrows on mobile, and now you can enjoy your playlist exactly how you want, either shuffle or in sequence, and that's it. Shuffle on or off in just a tap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and do not forget to comment on our video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.